Merrill Edge is a popular online trading platform that caters to both beginners and experienced investors. If you're looking to invest your money in stocks, exchange-traded funds, or options, Merrill Edge could be a good fit for you, especially if you already bank with Bank of America. In this video, we will break down the key features, pros and cons, and whether Merrill Edge is the right choice for your investment journey. Merrill Edge is part of Bank of America and offers a self-directed trading platform that allows users to manage their investments easily. The integration with Bank of America means that if you have an account with them, you can quickly transfer funds between your banking and investing accounts. One of the main highlights of Merrill Edge is its commission-free trading for stocks, exchange-traded funds, and options. Additionally, there is no account minimum required for a self-directed trading account, making it accessible for those who are just starting to invest. For those who prefer a more automated approach, Merrill Edge offers a robo-advisory service called Merrill Guided Investing. With this option, you can have your investments managed by a combination of algorithms and financial experts. This service requires a minimum investment of $1,000, which increases to $20,000 for unlimited advice from a financial advisor. While Merrill Edge has many strong points, it also comes with a few downsides. One significant drawback is the relatively high management fee for Merrill Guided Investing, which is 0.45% or 0.85% if you opt for the advisor's service. Additionally, the platform does not offer tax loss harvesting or trading for fractional shares, futures, or cryptocurrencies. Merrill Edge does not allow for trading fractional shares, futures, or cryptocurrencies, which could be limiting for those looking to diversify their portfolios with these asset types. However, for traditional investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, Merrill Edge offers a solid range of options. Merrill Edge provides options for socially responsible investing, allowing you to invest in companies that promote positive social and environmental practices. This option is ideal for those who want to align their financial goals with their values. Merrill Edge also offers a variety of retirement accounts, including traditional IRAs, Roth IRAs, and rollover IRAs. These accounts provide a tax-advantaged way to save for retirement, along with options for small business retirement plans like SEP IRAs and 401ks. Merrill Edge's Preferred Rewards program provides customers with perks based on their combined investment and banking balances, including discounts on advisory fees. This free-to-join program can offer substantial savings over time. In summary, Merrill Edge offers a comprehensive suite of investment options suitable for both beginner and experienced investors. The lack of commission fees, along with seamless integration with Bank of America, makes it a competitive choice in the online brokerage space. However, the platform's high fees for robo-advisory services and limited investment options may be a drawback for some. Ultimately, deciding whether Merrill Edge is the right fit for you will depend on your specific investing goals, preferences, and whether its available services align with your needs. With all these factors in mind, Merrill Edge remains a strong contender for those looking to explore the world of investing. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.